For today, we're going to look at this LG Cord Zero compressor. I don't know if you can see that. Right, so basically it's kind of the same model as the one before it, but the only thing that's different is the compressor part, which is this part. And we'll show you what it does later. So that's the dock. It comes with 2 batteries already, so that one is always charging, and it charges very quickly. And let's say if you run out of battery and you need to switch it, you just take this one out, you put it in there, and you can leave the other one charging. So it comes with a couple of attachments. You've got this one, the hard floor attachment, the mop. And you've got this, which is a crevice tool, and you've got another. Let's give it a crack, shall we? Get that, and then drop it on the floor. Yeah, go. And more. So just giving him some rice bits. This is fun for him. Good job, buddy. Just add a little bit more. All right, perhaps we'll put some flour too. Huh? Oh. Too much. Alright, can you put that on the floor there? Go. Good job. Alright, test this one first. That's a flower. And then, well, that did it really well. Also, the other thing is, in here, if you press turbo, it goes to the next level. And as you can see, it works really well. And it's not overly loud. And also, you can extend it. So if you're slightly taller, it's a lot easier to move. Last couple of bits. And there's not one speck left. Now, so let's say this is full, which is not, because it's got quite a big capacity. All you do is press this, and it compresses it, so you've got more room. Hence the name compressor. Now to empty it, it's fairly easy. You just press this button right here and it will drop. And the beauty of this compressor is you can see that? There you go. That's how you empty it. Let's move on to the mop. So to change the head, it's literally just go to this end, unclip that. The package comes with 4 of these, so 2 spares, which we are washing right now. So the 2 spares, they usually go here, but all you do is put that on there, and to fill this up, because all you need is water, push that, it comes off, there's a tab there, and you just fill that up. Put it back on and it locks in. You can choose the water supply option that you want. Do you want this one or that one? Just to lightly make sure it's slightly wet with the cleaner of your picking, or even just water. Just make sure it's nice and damp. Now once it's damp, you put it on. All right, so let's say we'll work, I'm not sure if you can see it. All right, let's say we'll work this corner. We'll do this corner. I mean space, sorry. So it vacuums as well. Or you can take it off and it'll still continue mopping. So you just press this if you want to vacuum. If you don't want it to vacuum, press that. If you want a stronger vacuum, you just press it twice. There you go. So right now you're vacuuming and mopping at the same time. It's a great feature. Turn it off. Let's say you're finished with that. You just take it off. And there's this attachment here. This hanging bracket. You just put it on and that's it. The other favorite of mine is this crevice tool. So let's just say we want to clean that out. All you do is this. Yep. Or if we go to my car, you want to clean it out. Or if that's too long for you, you can take this off with this button. Take this off and make it into a shorter mode. And it's got plenty of power. So if you, now there are also other attachments available, but this is all I've needed so far. And the beautiful thing about this is, you just put this in here, and it just clicks into place. I can do the whole house with just one battery. So yeah, do I approve? Yes, I do.